Yo, what's up? I'm Conda Proto and I'm back with another VTube Studio tutorial. Do you want to do that really cool thing where chat can pay points to give you head pats? Well, today I'm going to walk you through not only how to set that up, but also how to use the new VTube Studio Twitch integration so that instead of having to use a third-party program like Mix It Up or something to run the redeems, you can run them straight through VTube Studio. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help the channel a lot and it is much appreciated. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to go over to our item settings. Boop. In here, we have a head pat. I believe this comes preloaded with VTube Studio. So you're going to click on that. You're going to hit select. You'll pin it. I usually pin it one layer. If you're doing lots of different redeems, that's when you'll start looking at the different layers and doing the item order, depending on how you want them to stack. But for now, you can just choose one. Make sure pin item to live 2D model is on, and that will do it. Hit OK. And now we have a head pat. So we're going to take it. You can scroll wheel it to adjust the size, big, small, way too big, make it smaller. Going to go ahead and stick it on your head right where you want. I think right about there looks pretty good. Okay, and then you know it should be on you. Next, we're going to go right here, click the 3 stars, item scenes for hotkeys. We're going to hit create new item scene. We will name this Head Pat to Electric Boogaloo. That's too long. Okay, we'll just name it Head Pat 2. That's fine. So we'll just name it Head Pat 2. It's got this head pat included in it, and we will hit save. Oh, okay. And now you can see item scene Head Pat 2 was saved. We'll hit OK. I'm going to click right here on item settings, remove all items because we no longer need that. It'll simply be a distraction. From here, we're going to click on settings. Go all the way over here to hotkey settings and expressions. And then we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. There's a little plus sign right here. We're going to hit that to add a new setting. We'll name the hotkey. Oh yeah, you got to click the pencil to edit it. I always try and click right here. But actually, you click on the pencil to edit the name. We'll name it Head Pats 2.0. Then we're going to click on hotkey action. So since we just created an item scene, we want to go ahead and look for where it says toggle item scene. We're going to hit select. And then the item scene we're going to select is Head Pat 2. We'll select that. You want to go right down here, and for head pats, I like to toggle them off after about 15 seconds. So instead of like using Mix It Up where you have to create a toggle on, toggle off, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, you can just select this right here, hit stop after 15 seconds. So your chatter will redeem it. It'll head pat you for 15 seconds, and then it'll disappear forever or until it's redeemed again. So now we have our basic setup. It's going to toggle the item scene. It's going to toggle the head pat. We have it set to stop after 15 seconds. What you want to do now is you want to connect it to our Twitch. So you're going to click on the Twitch icon right here. Hey, Future Conda here. I forgot to show you how to connect your Twitch. Don't mind the fact that my mouth isn't moving. I'm speaking to you telepathically. So what you're going to want to do is click right here on settings. Go to the very first settings, general settings, external connections. Boop, 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 boop. Scroll on down to right here, Twitch settings. You'll hit connect account, connect your Twitch, and then you are good to go with the rest of the tutorial. You're going to turn this on, and then you're going to go down to Twitch redeem trigger, and you're going to turn that on. Then you will hit select Twitch redeem. I'm going to go down through here. I'm going to see head pat. I will click on head pat. Now you do have to make sure that you have these redeems already set up in your Twitch dashboard. It doesn't have to be anything special. Literally all you have to do is make the redeem, name the redeem, and then connect your Twitch account to VTube Studio. You'll hit select, head pat, active triggers 1, hit OK. and boom, it's set up. So now whenever someone redeems the head pat redeem on your Twitch, it's going to toggle this item scene on, which will give you the head pats for 15 seconds and then it'll disappear. Now, this new Twitch integration opens up a lot of different redeems we can do. So some other examples of effects that we can use on the Twitch redeems would be visual effects. So currently I have this one called Censor. It is connected to my no cursing redeem. So whenever someone on stream decides to redeem no cursing, it activates this effect, which then makes me look like this. So I have it set to a 60-second cooldown. I also have a 1-minute cooldown on the redeem. But for the 60 seconds of no cursing, I will be blurred out like this. I thought it was kind of a funny play on the censoring. But yeah, with the Twitch redeems, this opens up a whole separate thing besides just toggling item scenes. I have some that'll do the head pat. I have some that'll put glasses on me. But the visual effects ones are really cool. So I'm going to show you how to set one of those up and then how to add it in as a redeem. All right, so you want to come on over here to webcam tracking video and visual settings. Going to scroll on down until you see visual effects, VFX. You're going to go ahead and turn it on. Go into selected effects, and then you have a ton of different effects you can mess with in here. For example, we can do custom particle effects. This is a really fun one I helped set up with a friend. So we have this, it activates all the hearts and stuff. So we hit OK. Hit done. And then we're going to go ahead and hit this download button. Save current state as a new preset. Preset name, we'll name this raid. So this is something I helped a friend set up. So whenever they get raided, it puts this heart sparkle filter thing over their model for X amount of seconds. Go back in. I'm going to reset all to off since I've already saved it as a scene. We're going to head back over here. And this is how you can set up effects that aren't tied to redeems, but are actually tied to different events. We're going to make a new hotkey. We're going to name it Raid Shadow Legends. All right, hotkey action. We're going to go in here and we're going to do load a visual effects preset. Select preset. We're going to choose Raid. Hit that. Go down here. I'll set it to stop after, 30 seconds. So they raid into us. They get 30 seconds of that and then it ends. And then we're going to go right here. Under Twitch, we're going to turn it on. Now, I showed you how to do Twitch redeem triggers, but there's a whole bunch of other triggers here that we can also use, including Twitch raid. So by clicking this on, whenever they raid, it's going to automatically trigger this hotkey, which is going to trigger that heart overlay and give you that cool little, ooh, sparkly, I'm so happy you're here for a little bit. There are other ones such as gift subs, bits, text, which is if they type a certain word in chat, this redeem will activate. Sub trigger, follow, repeated follow, although that's kind of weird. Anyone that's repeatedly following and unfollowing you is a little weird, but live your life, I guess. Shout out trigger, and then ad break trigger. So I kind of showed you the basics. I showed you how to load an item scene. I showed you how to load a visual effects preset. So those are just some of the options you can do as far as redeems and triggers. Like I said, the visual effects are really cool. I have the censored one tied to my no cursing. I helped a friend set up the heart particle one for their raids. You can set up different item triggers. Don't forget now they actually have it set up to where you can import different URLs as items, which means if you wanted a certain video to play before an ad break, or if you have a self intro video, you could put that in here as a URL and set it to whenever someone raids you, it plays the self intro video for the new raiders. There's just different things like that you can set up. Honestly, the possibilities are limitless. There is so much you can do. This Twitch integration is insane. Not only that, it's way more consistent than any of the programs I use, such as Mix It Up or anything like that. So let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions, and if you come up with any cool ideas, creations, combinations for your triggers, let me know as well. I always like to see what people come up with. If there's any other Vtube Studio or OBS tutorials you'd like to see from me, let me know in the comments as well, and I will try and do a video on it. Again, thank you so much for watching, and have fun with your new redeems.